Want to send money to your loved ones in Bangladesh quickly and securely using Remitly and Bkash? First, make sure you have a Remitly account. If not, download the Remitly app or visit the Remitly website and sign up. If you already have an account, just log in. Now, choose Bangladesh as the country you're sending to. This is crucial to ensure the money goes to the right place. Enter the amount you want to send in your local currency. Remitly will automatically show you the equivalent amount in Bangladeshi taka, along with the current exchange rate. Select Bkash as the delivery method. This tells Remitly where the money should be sent in Bangladesh. Enter your recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their official ID and their correct Bkash account number. Double-check this information to avoid any delays or errors. Choose your payment method. You can use a debit card, credit card, or bank account. Enter your payment details securely. Review all the details carefully, the amount, the recipient's information, and the payment method. If everything looks correct, confirm your transfer. You'll receive a confirmation message at the estimated delivery time and a transaction ID. Your recipient will receive the money directly in their Bkash account. Remember to check Remitly's website or app for the most up-to-date information on transfer limits and any applicable fees.